All right, welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today, 24th March, Sunday, and let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market is doing. All right, so this is the daily chart, folks. Right here, the continuation of the bulls are in play. As you can see right here, the volumes, the bulls are in control. Same thing on the MACD. There is a diversion on continuous also, but market is continuously bullish so far. As you can see, cloud conditions are also great. Nice, that nice looking. So what did market do last week, folks? That's let's understand what looked like. So first of all, if you look at the volume right here, so volume did fade out right here, then the squeeze came in, and then we fired up again, and market broke the 520 area right here, and we went up to 525, pretty much close to right here, right? 524.35, and then we pull back 524.11 right there. Now at this point, what happened is market did poke through high, and then we are validating at the top area right here. So one thing you have to understand, for psychological number 525 is not a easy task, right? If we did achieve 525, so that is the one number to be very careful. Second thing, folks, we all need to understand is now, remember blackout period I mentioned about the last market update video. There is a blackout period for the buyback blackout period started pretty much 1 month, I would say approximately end of the April. There will be a less buying activity, that there will be less buying activity would occur. So that means either market could be a choppy on the top. You see how many teeny mini candles are around here. Look at that, $1, $2 market not moving much, still validating the price. Market is hanging at the top, not selling up. But what I see is there is no buyer in the less buying activity would occur. I don't see here sell-off period yet. I did not see sell-off started yet. But you never know, folks, because when if market need to go higher in the next quarter earning, right? And if they could pull back, so in order to pull back, this is your fast track to test right here. If they pull back, so we're gonna look into a smaller time frame, but this is thesis I'm applying, folks. Okay, it's not a technical yet, thesis. Keep it in mind, those who took my technical fundamental class and intraday class, you understand the language I talk. Okay, so now here, so let's go in little smaller time frame. Conditions are continuously bullish. Okay, I don't see any weakness out here. Looking at the diversion, I don't care. All right, that's this is nothing. This is bullish. All right, but let's go in a little smaller time frame. So we're gonna look into 4-hour charts. Let's see 4-hour charts, see what the smart monies are doing. So if market has to pull back, this is your right here is your demand area 518, where are the market is right now? 520, 120, right? Something around that. So MACD is still in a bull territory, bulls are in control. So if market has to pull back, the smart money, this is a demand area around 518. So if market has to pull back, you got to understand this is your sloping support. Conditions continuous bullish, so 518, and we could, if market has to come back to 515, just in case. Okay, this area could happen. Okay, I'm not saying that it's gonna happen, could happen, but first step is to 518 retest, bounce, and then we need to see we're gonna take the top or we're gonna little bounce and then rejection and come back. So this is the process of 1 or 2 weeks, though I'm talking here. Okay, not 1 week, but could be a 2 week also. It can happen. So we need to see how the market lays out. But at here, what I see here, little weakness to retest 518 on a 4-hour chart. Remember, this is a 4-hour chart. We are still looking here bullish, little pullback. So I'm gonna go and look into little smaller time frame, 1-hour chart. Okay, so 1-hour chart, if you look at it, folks, wow, these people are created a bullish divergence. I'm sorry, bull flag. Do you see that something? 1-hour chart has a bull flag, folks. On a market has a bull flag. Look at that. You see that bull flag? See that? That's your bull flag. And look at the cloud conditions are bullish also. So 1 hour has a bull flag. So if market bounce tomorrow and create a diversion and then go down, or gonna go one leg little lower and create a longer diversion, longer bull flag, and then bounce. Either one of the things, because we are still testing the cloud. So 1 hour telling there's a bull flag setup here too. So it's still, if they want to go a little lower, they could go 518 right here. This is empty pocket. If the market want to decide, we can easily go down, folks. Okay, that's how. And then bounce. We are not that far, $2 down, and we have a whole 1 week to play. So if the market maker want to go down, because right now market is choppy, market moves a couple of dollars a day. That's it, nothing much. So we need a bigger move in order to to make some money when doing the day trading. So activities are very, very small. Okay, folks, that's what I would say. Buyers are not in the market. So keep that thing in mind. Keep your smaller sizes, keep your everything smaller, folks, because market is trading in the tunnel, like trading water, right? When market trades the water, you got to understand, you can't hammer. If the iron is not hot, you don't want to hammer because there is no buyer. You need market maker strength. If the market makers are not buying, not selling, right? We need one of the things to happen. So at this particular level, so a particular daily chart, look at the teeny mini candles. Look at that whole day of the work. Teeny mini, right? And these are, only couple of days are nicer. Other than that, small cycles, you see that. Because market is at the 525 psychological numbers we have achieved. All right, so keep that thing in mind. So over here, bull flag setup. Got it? Bull flag setup on a 1 hour chart, right? And cloud conditions are a little bullish. MACD is testing the oscillator 0. See what happens tomorrow. So remember, folks, anytime we have a fresh week start, every time fresh week start, there is a caveat. What is the caveat would be? You and me would not know. Let the market maker go. I gave you lay out the few stuff, what are the things could happen, but let the market maker decide, see what they want to do. They want to test the 518 and bounce, or they want to break the 518, go down, or they want to bounce from the cloud and go and create this bull flag to play, right? So there are always, Monday options are expensive. Remember, option premiums are expensive, so market can move. If they want to move a little bit, they can move around. They should be fine for them. So let's see. We'll see whatever happens. They're going to retest the 425 and then go down, or go down and retest and bounce. That's what I want to see in this coming week, whatever they will do. All right. So other than that, folks, we'll be keeping posted, right? So join the live stream every day we do. So meantime, I'm going to also look into, folks, the Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin doing. They're going to look into Tesla. We're going to look into few stocks. I will look into it. Okay. Okay, I got to look at here. Bitcoin, UTC, USD. So, wow, man, Bitcoin looking great. So what I see here is, folks, look at the Bitcoin. I think I have, this is the chart to look into it. Okay. So as you can see right here, Bitcoin, we did break the previous high. We pull back, retest and bouncing, and MACD is already pulling back. So most likely, folks, the Bitcoin wants to go higher, right? And we could retest this. So the Bitcoin wants to validate this area, folks. Bitcoin looking great. It wants to validate this area, right? So mostly Bitcoin will be spending time around here. We did test right here. Look at that. We test the 60,000 and bouncing. So what does it mean? That means Bitcoin wants to validate. Let me get rid of this now. Bitcoin wants to get rid of this. Bitcoin wants to validate here in this channel right here. Now we need a few more weeks to figure it out. We're gonna go test, rejection, retest cloud, and breakthrough again. That's what I would think of it. So that's why they are validating this range. So this is nice bullish setup, folks. Okay, Bitcoin is nice bullish. We already look at that support. The moment market comes to the $60,000, immediately buyer lines up. Immediately we test the 60, buyer lines up. You see that? This is how I see here. So Bitcoin looking great. All right. Then you're gonna look into Tesla. Right. So what Tesla doing, folks? This is daily chart. So Tesla had a bounce. Remember, Tesla creating the bullish divergence. You notice, folks, right here. Just a second. From here to here down, same spot. Tesla created the bullish divergence, right? Same spot to this one. Tesla wants to say, I want to go higher. So we had the divergence. We bounce, correct? And Tesla again sell off. All right. So right here, this area, this is a supply. And conditions are solid horrible. So that means, folks, watch out on this bull divergence did not give, like, whenever market has a bullish divergence, right, you should have a little bounce, great bounce. I don't see a good bounce yet, this divergence, right? It did not take it when we had a bounce, supposed to go to 184, we didn't do that, and market buyer seller lined up and push it down. So we are still struggling on a Tesla, folks. Yes, be careful, folks. Okay, this is a horrible condition looking now right now. This is just, I'm reading technical, folks. I'm just reading technical, 17th April. So we have 1 month more to go for the next turning. You can imagine what would happen here. The conditions is looking horrible. So I think we're gonna break this 154, folks. Based on the condition apply. I'm just applying the conditions. When, God knows, folks. We have 1 more month to go. All right, so not looking good. So I'm not saying that it's gonna go and break these. It's gonna be right now validating first, because we just did that and rejection came in and then we bounce again. So we are going in this range, right? So if many institutions, if they have the bigger position and if they are afraid of this earning, right, then they might sell. If they sell it early, then we can break this 154. That's why condition was bearish. Okay. Yep, that's Tesla. Then we're gonna look into Nvidia. Let's look into Nvidia, see what Nvidia look like. So Nvidia, wow, man. Look at the Nvidia. They just started going up and up and up. Look at that, folks. Nvidia wants to break this. Wow. Yeah, looking great. Look at that. Imagine we don't have the volume crazy on Nvidia, and still Nvidia wants to go. Imagine if we have the volume coming in, right, when the bulls lines up. So anyway, so excuse me. What we need to see here is, look like Nvidia wants to retest the top right here. Okay, so this week we will be testing somewhere around here, and then we'll see. So this bounce, I want to see, it could create a bearish divergence. We're gonna go break this little bit and then pull back and retest something here. Something like that gonna happen, right? Something like that. So they're gonna break and pull back. Never know. Nobody knows, folks, what could happen, but right now looks like they want to little bit go higher. That's how it's set up. Nvidia look like. All right, then we're gonna look into QQQ. So QQQ, folks, right here is continuation bullish right there. We have the resistance. We had the previous high. We got a rejection right here, and MACD continuously filling up the gas, going lower. Wow. Okay. So what does it mean? That means market doesn't, the QQQ also wanted to validate 433. Market, the moment QQQ test 433, buyer lines up, boom, and then push it up. Look at that, several times, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, every time. 433 is a great buy for people to buy QQQ, right? But remember, folks, now 1 month little before the earnings start. So let's see whatever market would do around here. If they want to pull back, seller lines up, and MACD could go lower also if they really that happen. But right now I don't see if they're gonna happens at this particular point. What happening is MACD continuously going down and market is continuously pulling up. You see that every time. It just even this event, last 1 month event, look at that what QQQ doing. Little down, pulls back. Little down, pulls back. Little down, pulls back. So we have been continuously spending time here QQQ on a 1 month right here. But did we go anywhere? No. So what happening is probably rotation going on, folks. Okay, there are some sort of market maker holding some of the stock that went up, some stocks are still down, so they are rotation going on probably until the new earnings starts. That's what I see here on a within the QQQ, which is pretty much Nasdaq 100 stocks. All right, so that's QQQ. Tesla we look into. Microsoft, folks. I like Microsoft. What I see here is building the sloping support and look like a nice bullish setup. Look at that beautiful setup, folks. So Microsoft wants to go. Microsoft say, I want to go, man. You can stay down if you want. That's the setup it looks like. All right. So, but market maker, they are compressing, trying to pull back. But Microsoft looking nice, folks. This is a nice bullish setup. That's how I see it. So it's keep creating high. Look at that beat already test 40, 430, 431. So Microsoft looking good. But remember, folks, there's always a headline that, hey, China doing this. They're gonna, getting rid of all the officials from Windows, from the government computers and stuff like that. All the headline market creates. So there are different kind of news pops in. All right, but until that's apart from that, conditions and setup, man, this is beautiful, picture perfect setup. That's why. So somebody asked me earlier about 2 weeks ago, and I said Microsoft looking bullish from right here, and look at that what Microsoft happened. So still Microsoft looking bullish. We can look into Apple. Apple, boy, the moment Apple bounce, immediately pull back. You see that? So what does it mean? That means Apple is also similar like Tesla. We are validating this area, folks. 170 and 166 before the earnings. So Apple will be spending time between 175 and 165. So this Apple probably would be the great iron condor, and your strike would be around 175 and 166. 175, 165, right in between your spread, bullish put spreads and the bearish call spread. If you took that strike, and market can spray for 1 month, I mean Apple could play perfect 1 month in between, and you can print money on a theta decay. All right, this is perfect candidate for that. Iron condor. All right, so those who took option class, they understand exactly when to do, how to do. It depends on everything, folks. When it comes to spreads, iron condors and all, I give the highest weightage on technicals. I give a highest weightage on many things, right? Then only iron condor is good. Otherwise, you jump in without the setup, man, yeah, then you could lose money, folks. Okay, that's why a lot of people, they play iron condor, but they don't know when to do it. The important part is when you do it is important. Remember that. So right now we are right in the middle. Imagine, folks, you do it iron condor right in the middle. Picture perfect, right? Anyway, so you can, anyway, I don't want to get into that nitty gritty more, but that's that. Then what else we need to look into? Meta. Look at the Meta. Meta, he says, I don't want to go down. You can go down. I don't want to even look back. That's how much bullish Meta look like, folks. Look at the Meta. All right, continuous sloping support, fast track. They don't want to even come back. And MACD already started coming back and trying to now curling up. So Meta looking bullish. Keep creating divergence, pull back, and again goes back up. right? This is what Meta has been doing. So it's continuously bullish on it. So this is the track to follow right here. Little pullback, go up, little pullback, go up. That's what Meta look like. So this Meta looks great, folks. Bullish put spread, but we are all the way high, so I don't like to do it all the way at the top, but conditions bullish. All right, so that's your Meta. What else we need to look into, folks? Bitcoin, Meta, Tesla, we did that. The most favorite stock, folks, SMCI. SMCI is all right. You know, I think let me get rid of this just a second. So we are in the middle. We had the divergence. SMCI pullback, so has a little weakness because of the MACD bearish. So I think SMCI is validating the range around $800 and $900 range right here. You see this in between here. So anytime SMCI pulls back to $800 range, it could bounce to this area right here for April month to bounce. So anytime this area comes, is a good entry to long side, right? That's how I see here on SMCI. But other than that, SMCI could go back to high. Yeah, it could go back to high also, but when, God knows, right? At this particular point, we are now battling around here. So SMCI is still bullish, but temporary bearish conditions applying right now. You see this? Every market come back to 850, bono bounce. So this is the area to watch and see what happens. So there is a resistance here, and more probably pull back, retest, pull back, retest, and test the cloud by the time month will be over. So I think SMCI want to spend time between $850 to $1,000 range. This is the range they want to spend around time here. MACD continuously going down, and look at the SMCI, keep pushing up, keep pushing up. You see that? That's the strength market. The SMCI has it. Yeah, man, it's nice strong stock. All right, folks. So there's another announcement I have is so those who are taking SPX class, folks. So if you take an SPX class, today is your last day for the discount of $2,000 for SMCI. You get a 4 class. You get also you get a Discord live free with it, and you also get a WhatsApp alert group, which is $500 value. That also free with it, right? So you're gonna get that, right? So if you sign up as long as you sign up by tomorrow morning, market opens up, folks, no problem. You can get this deal from tomorrow. So this is for April batch starting, right? April batch. So what I want is I want to get going. I want to prepare everybody before the April starts. So if you want to enroll, you enroll it today. That will be faster. Or you can enroll next week. If you want to enroll next week, what I'm doing is I'm not gonna charge you $5,000, but we'll do is you will get $1,500 discount instead of $2,000 discount out of $5,000. You get $1,500 discount, because those who enroll early, I like to give them the benefit the most. So if those who wants to sign up, you get it for, if you sign up after Monday, you get it for $3,500. Okay, so I will change the price tomorrow. Until then, those who sign up now, they'll get it for the regular price, what discount we had it, right? That's the hell of a deal, because you're getting for this price, plus you're getting $500 Discord live, as well as WhatsApp group $500, which is $1,000, right? That's why I gave those who enroll early. After that is 35. Okay, folks. So as the time goes, hope you understand, folks. I want people to enroll early, not to wait too long. That's why I'm giving discount to those people. Or other than that, folks, those who are joining the WhatsApp group, folks, I'm sorry, that YouTube live right here, Top Trading Edge. Anytime I go live every day, 7 hours right here, 7 hours every day, 7 hours, market open to close. Join, and also you can click on live as well as video. I post market update video right here. Please don't forget to share, click like button, folks. Always share anywhere you could, any social media. That will be great help. So I post a lot of videos, folks. You can go and look into what I said in 2023, 2024, bunch of stuff right here. Right, we don't get much time, but if you get time, folks, there's a lot more to learn right here. All this market recorded live stream. Join, folks. Okay. All right, so thank you for being here. Don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe button, as well as sharing is caring, folks. All right, so see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Ciao ciao, bye.